If you wish to change the blanket stitch to a decorative stitch for your applique, go to the Outline tab of Object Properties and select Running. Then select the decorative stitch you would like to add to your applique. If you need to change the color of your applique, you can click in the lower right corner and you will have a new color of applique fabric. With your running stitches, you can mirror the style. If you have chosen a stitch that needs to be mirrored, you can change the offset, which will determine how far the stitch is from the applique edge. A negative value will set it inside the object. A positive will move it away from the object. The default number of passes is set at 1. And if you wish to widen the stitch, you can place a check mark in front of length and then click on the up arrow to increase the length, which also increases the width of the stitch. If you wish to change the applique stitch to a satin serial, you can click on satin serial. You can set the offset by bringing it down slightly to a negative number. That will set the stitches inside the applique object slightly. You can also change the density and the compensation and the type of underlay. To make the satin stitch wider, select the object and go to the outline value in Tool Options. Click on the up arrow to increase the width of the stitch. You can also apply any of the decorative options to your satin stitches by clicking on one of the options in Object Properties. These will add a pattern to the satin stitch outline. Keep in mind they are most effective with wider satin stitches. As you can see, you have many different ways to alter applique.